एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। सो रात के 9 बज रहे हैं एंड आई एम गोइंग टू दिल्ली। एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, इट इज़ द रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम द ऑफिस टू वर्क देयर फॉर एटलीस्ट 8 days in a month and 20 days from the work from home. So that's the reason I'm going to the railway station to catch the train, and the train timing would be around 12:15 from Roorkee, because in Mussoorie Express I did not got the berth, so I booked it from the Roorkee. So what I will do, I'll first arrive the station, Haridwar station. From there I'll catch any train which is going through Roorkee station, and I will deboard at Roorkee railway station. After that, from there I'll catch that train which will leave me at Anand Vihar railway station, and from there I'll go to Gurugram, and in the morning after reaching the Gurugram, I'll go to my office. So guys, here you can see lot of traffic are there. Currently I am in Ranipur area, so I am going through Payal because I am waiting for any e-rickshaw if I can get. Otherwise I have to travel solely there, or I have to take something. Some e-rickshaws would be there, then I'll catch that. Otherwise I have to travel it through my legs only through the Payal, because at Payal I'll get some e-rickshaws which will take me through the railway station. And it is dark here, and you can see the vehicles are also coming and going through this way, but I am not getting any rickshaw. That's the reason I have to go only through my legs only. So guys, when I reach the railway station, then I'll shoot another video, and then I'll let you know how is my experience going through the railway station. So guys, finally I have got the e-rickshaw, and now I am going to the railway station. And here you can see that's my bag, and here you can see this is the Feed Bazaar of Sector 4, where people would be buying the vegetables and fruits. So many people are there. It is very much populated market of Sector 4. So you can see people are engaged in the economic activities here in Haridwar. Lot of things are here. Everything you can buy for the household activities, groceries, vegetables, fruits, food, everything would be available here. So you can see here guys, the driver has told me that he is going into the Feed Bazaar to buy oranges. That's the reason he stopped his vehicle here. And guys, this is my bag, small bag, standard chartered bag. They have given me this one. So after when he reach here, then we'll go to the railway station guys. Hello guys, so I have reached at Haridwar railway station. You can see the crowd, how much crowded this station is. There is no any festival currently here, but maybe due to the holidays, weekends. So today is Sunday, that's the reason there is so much crowded this station. Every time when I visit here, every time I saw such amount of crowd. So if I come here in the morning, early morning by 5-6 a.m. That time there is no such rush. Otherwise every time it is so much crowded. See the crowd. There is no any festival guys. This is a beautiful city, bright, vibrant. This is Devnagari, hence the devotees are coming across the world, not from India, across the world. You can see people from all over the world are here, right? So a train is about to come here on the station that will go to Amritsar through Haridwar. It will be coming from Dehradun. So from Dehradun it will come here and will go to Amritsar. So you can see the announcement also here, the announcement. And people are taking so much Ganga Jal in their hand.
6, 3, 1,
So much crowd.
from Dehradun to Amritsar via.
So guys, my train has finally arrived on the station. So through this train I'll reach to Roorkee. So this train is going from Dehradun to Amritsar. So I will catch this train and I'll go to Roorkee. From there I will board my next train, which will be going to Anand Vihar railway station, New Delhi. So guys, this is the train, but you can see so much people are here, and so much crowded place is this. I think all the people are not going through that same train. From different places, and other trains would be also going. So guys, meanwhile, let's see. I have to manage anyhow. I have to go into the. I have taken the general ticket here because I have to travel only 45 minutes distance. It is around 40 to 50 kilometers away from here, Haridwar. Roorkee railway station. So I have taken the general ticket and I will go into a sleeper class. So maybe when train will stop, then I will enter inside the this one coach. After that, when I reach the station, Roorkee station, then I'll make the video, guys. Hello everyone. So I have arrived on the station, that is Lakshar Junction. Here my train has stopped. This is the stoppage for this Amritsar Express. Now after this, the next stoppage will be Roorkee only. So here you can see it is stopped on the Lakshar Junction. So in few minutes it will start through the Lakshar, and it will be for next station, that will be Roorkee. So meanwhile I am just showing this train is not so much crowded. The station was actually crowded, that one. Yeah, you can see guys, the station is so vacant. Nobody is there. Only few passengers you can see here and there. Otherwise this is very vacant station. And guys, when I'll reach to the Roorkee station, I'll just start my video and will capture and let you know other things about the Roorkee as well. Fine. So you can see this is fine. So guys, finally I have reached on the Roorkee railway station, and the station is completely vacant. You can see it's about 12:15 a.m. and some of the passengers are waiting for their train, and most of them are from the student of IIT Roorkee, and they are waiting for their train. I'll show you guys. So this is about the station. What I have saw, most of the passengers are from IIT only. This time some of the train would be arriving here and they would board the train. Hence that's the reason by 12 o'clock in the night they are waiting for their train. Similarly, I am also waiting for my train that would be going to Delhi, Anand Vihar. I'll show you that thing also. See guys, all are only students here, and those are from IIT. Most of them are from IIT. You can see they have won the hackathons and different.
चंडीगढ़ से लखनऊ को जाने वाली गाड़ी संख्या 12 का 132
These they have demonstrated. They have made one aircraft, and they have one like this 60,000 rupees. They have one. These are the students from IIT. They have made replica of fighter plane, right? And they have 160,000 rupees here. They have there was some competition organized by the GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. They have won this hackathon and they have got 60,000 rupees prize. I think 3 students won it because they are having 3 checks in their hand.
कोई भी कोच सुन हिमांशु कोई भी कोच का गेट सामने है
So, Roorkee is solely famous for IIT, and earlier Roorkee was the part of Uttar Pradesh. So IIT Roorkee was also, there were 2 IITs in UP, but now still we are having 2 IITs, IIT BHU and IIT Kanpur. But before the partition of Uttarakhand, it was 3 IITs. It was 2 IIT. That was IIT Roorkee and IIT Kanpur. So that's it about the Roorkee only, and nothing specific about this place. Guys, I am waiting for my train. If the railway clock was operational, I would have shown you that, but you can see all the things are not in the operational state, hence nothing is there. Here you can see only passengers are there, even waiting room and other things are also not there. Yeah, so guys, I'll check the see, it is around 11:57 p.m. in the night here. So after 25 minutes I'll get my train. It is on time. It is about to reach Luxor Junction here, and in the morning 5 to 5:30 I'll reach Delhi. From there I will take metro and I'll go to my room where I will take a bath, and after that I'll go to my office by 12:30 and reach office there. After that I'll let you know other things. So signing off this time right now. Thank you so much guys.